put this in the beginning of the video. I just got done filming my room tour. I just feel like my room is not really worthy to show, so I'm not too sure if this video came out the way I wanted it to go. But hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you guys do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. Let's get this video to 30 likes and 10 comments. I do appreciate you guys for the recent support, so let's go ahead and kill it on the likes and comments on this video. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Your boy's looking grimy, I know. Alright, let's get to film this video. Put you guys on the windowsill for some nice lighting for the intro. Yo, what is Gucci, everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back to another video on this channel, and this video is going to be a nice little room tour for you guys. This has been highly requested in the comment section, so I appreciate you guys for giving me some video ideas down below in the comment box. So go ahead and comment on what you guys want to see next after this video. Just to give you guys a quick little disclaimer, my room is nothing special at all. It's very tiny. I feel like I'm like cooped up in this little room, but your boy tries to grind in here, tries to push out content, tries to push out bflakes supply stuff, the web store stuff. But I am cooped up in my little room, but I do enjoy my little space. My bed is mainly the thing that takes up a lot of space. I have a California Queen, I believe is the size. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Sit back, relax, and let's just hop into it. Alright y'all, you might hear the washing machine, but this is the hallway coming into my room. Like I said, it's nothing special. Just giving you guys a quick little disclaimer. I have a wide angle lens on, so it might look a little bigger, I guess you can say. And yeah, so I don't know where to start. Let me start by turning on this light. Get better lighting in here. Hopefully that helps. So this is the view when you step in, but obviously there's some stuff in the corner here. I have lights where, you know, your boy's using one right now. And then I have tripod, another tripod, whatever the case is. I have some Birkenstocks that already got me, so shout out to her for always spoiling your boy. Some nice Birkenstocks that Rocket chewed up already. And then I have an undefeated tote bag that I got for bflakes supply orders. Every time there's an order made, I'll just toss it in here, go to the UPS store, USPS, whatever the case is, and then ship the orders out in that. And then I have this Supreme bag that already got me for Christmas. This was our first Christmas together, so shout out to you, baby. I still use this from time to time. Right next to the corner, you know, it's a little messy. I apologize for that, but I wanted to get you this video in like its natural element. It is kind of messy, so I do apologize for that. But I got this red shelf from IKEA. I do regret getting the red one, but it doesn't look too bad. I also was trying to keep a red theme back then. I got this red locker way back when, about like 2-3 years ago, 4 years ago maybe. But yeah, so when I first moved in, I wanted to keep it red. I just put some random stuff on here, like I have the Travis Scott Reese's Puffs, a trophy from 2018 when my team and I won the basketball division we were in, whatever the case is, Baby Groot, some Babe toilet paper that I've had since I was like in 9th grade, Dasani water bottles, I need to clean that up, some Supreme matches, so when your boy goes to the bathroom, just light a match when you're done, Go Yard wallet, and then the main thing on these shelves that I really like to see is all the books that I read. If I were to recommend 2 books out of here, I'd recommend these 2 from the same author, but I highly recommend these just because I really mess with these, and this is kind of what got bflakes supply started. Bflakes supply is the web store that I run. So if you guys are interested in any books to read at the time, I do recommend those 2. $100 startup, and then Side Hustle is the name of it. If you guys want to check that out, I'll link it to Amazon down below. Rocket's Toys, my license plate that I didn't put in the front, flakes. I'm not too sure if you guys want to see this, but this is just a random mirror. Obviously a lot of people probably have this. I don't like how the mirror looks, but I guess I'll give you guys a quick tour of the inside of my closet. You have pants, jackets, flannels, all that stuff, sneakers up here, and then you have a duffel bag I'm trying to get rid of soon. As far as like this freaking mess in there, don't really pay attention to that. Some Jason Mark I haven't used yet that I got for Christmas, stashed toilet paper, some red cups. I don't know what it's doing in here, to be honest, but hey. And then I have Nike shorts. I actually really love my short collection. I have these pink ACG shorts, or purple, beautiful. And then I have another pair of ACG shorts. If you guys probably have seen these last year, boom, there you go, another pair. Honestly, really fuck with my short collection. Can't wait for the summertime. And then I have the shorts that I recently picked up, and then some random basketball shorts. So I random stuff in here, to be honest. Some more Laker shorts. And yeah, honestly, super crazy. Oh, here's a pickup I never really showed you guys. Shout out to my girlfriend once again. She got me this Laker jersey when Kobe passed the day of. Nike was flooded with people buying jerseys, so she went ahead and caught me a size large. So shout out to her, man. She's always looking out for me. I love you, baby. Yeah, so this is a pickup I never really showed. So we're gonna move right along to this area. It's nothing really special. Like you guys can see, it's super tiny in here. I have a vision board right here. If you guys are really interested in that, you guys can just look at it. But I'm not really gonna go into detail of that vision board. My bed, like I said in the beginning, is a California Queen. It literally takes up my whole like space to work or to move around and stuff like that. So I am working with what I have, but I actually do love this bed a lot. I got a lot of space on it, a lot of space to move around, all that good stuff. Yeah, so let's move over here. So moving over to the main area, like I said, my bed is too big, so it takes up a lot of my main area, my like little workspace. But I did redo this whole area lately. The desk used to be right here, and then the shoes used to be up here. I'm not too sure if you guys remember that backdrop, but I actually really do like the new setup. Shout out to my girlfriend for the recommendation. I keep giving her shout outs in this video, but she honestly does a lot for me. She helps me in my mental flow. And yeah, so I'll just put a tripod right here, and that's where I film the videos. You guys did see last year's sneaker collection video, and I haven't really picked up anything since, other than like the Dunks, the Sakai waffles, and then these Kobe's. But your boy is working on his sneaker collection. Hopefully it grows sometimes this year. Hopefully I can cop some more sneakers this year. But yeah, so what's on top of it, I have some rechargeable batteries, a vape mask for coronavirus, you know what I'm saying? And then my microphone that I took off for this video, some tie-dye stuff that I've been working on, some shorts that are gonna go up on bflakessupply, my little notebook for notes, ideas, all that good stuff, my current read, which is Stop Acting Rich and Start Living Like It, or Like a Real Millionaire, sorry. But yeah, so this is my current read if you guys are interested. Been reading books here and there, haven't really, you know, deep dived into that book yet. And then I just have some random miscellaneous items, another camera, AirPods, Advil, tissue. All right, you guys, so here's my nice little desk setup. It's honestly a little messy right now, and the wire management is honestly very terrible, so I do apologize for that. But people might think I have a computer or something like that, but I honestly don't. I just mirror everything from this MacBook Pro onto this monitor and then connect the keyboard to it. I kind of like the vibe of it, and I also have this trackpad from Apple. So yeah, that's my little desk setup. I have a Kobe book that I recently just got. So shout out to my aunt for this. I'm actually super excited to deep dive into that. And then I have this nice clock from Amazon, some fake plants, a candle from Kith that I can't use because the stem is broken. And then I have this candle that I actually use, a cause figure that I actually really love, and I love how it looks on my desk like that. A little whiteboard in the corner that I write ideas on, my Supreme backpack, and then this nice little locker that I keep camera gear in. So honestly, nothing special about this, but you guys were asking for it. Oh, I also forgot this Alexa, I forgot which, pause. I forgot which one this was, but it's the bigger one with the nice speaker. So shout out to my mom for that. So with this quarantine, I'm not too sure how y'all are taking it, but hopefully you guys are doing okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button for me, like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you guys want to see in the next video. I am kind of running out of content here in the house. I don't know what to film for you guys, so leave a comment on what you guys want to see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this room tour. Like I said, it wasn't too much. Yeah, so you guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I don't even use Snapchat like that anymore, but Instagram and Twitter are my main things. And then go ahead and subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed. I'll stop talking right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.